Yeah, I would like to give a report of the status of the IGETS. What is IGETS? IGETS provides a service to monitor temporal variations of the Earth's gravity field through long-term records from ground gravimeters and in the future probably also tiltmeters, strain meters and other geodynamic sensors. IGETS was established in 2015 as continuation of the former activities of the Global Geodynamics project and the International Center of Earth Tides. We are providing in the IGETS service 3 products to the users, to the community. First of all, level 1 data. These are raw gravity and local pressure records from the instruments. The level 2 products are gravity and pressure data corrected for instrumental perturbations. And this level 2 data are ready for tidal analysis. And the level 3 data, these are then gravity residuals after particular geophysical corrections, including solid earth tides, polar motion, tidal and non-tidal loading effects. And with the level 3 data, we contribute to the monitoring of terrestrial water storage changes by long-term stable time series of our superconducting gravimeter networks. That means the level 3 data, they can be taken as ground-based observations, as complements to the GRACE and GRACE follow-on missions, and continental hydrology models in terms of spatial and temporal variations. Yeah, the organization, this slide is about the organizational structure of IGETS. We have the central bureau, the central office in Strasbourg, and Jean-Paul Bois is director of the Central Bureau. And we have 2 analysis centers generating the level 2 and level 3 products. One analysis center is also located in Strasbourg under the leadership of Jean-Paul Bois. And this is new. The Institute of Geodesy and Geophysics of the Chinese Academy of Sciences in Wuhan is now the 2nd analysis center, because the University of French Polynesia in Tahiti is not anymore an IGETS analysis center. The main data center is at GFC in Potsdam here, and Strasbourg is the secondary data center. Our chair of the service is Marta Calvo from EGN in Spain, and you see here listed also other members of our directing board. This slide gives you the spatial distribution of the global distribution of the worldwide superconducting gravity network contributing to the IGETS service. Currently, 49 observatories, SG as observatories and some other instruments contributing to IGETS. We know that there are some other institutions in the world who are also operating superconducting gravimeters, which are not yet contributing to our service, but we try to motivate as many as possible of such operators and instrument owners to contribute to our service. This gives you an impression of the current content of our database. This is content of level 1 data in Potsdam in our database. And as summary, I would say, one news I already said it. This is that the institute in EGG from Wuhan is now analysis center. Currently, I mentioned it already, there are 49 worldwide observatories, which are generating 68 independent time series. These are more time series because some of the instruments have 2 sensors. 23 of these 49 stations, the level 1 data sets are assigned with DOIs. This is provided by GFC's data services, Kirsten Elger. Currently, our service has approximately 100 registered data users. And we are aiming at GFC to modernize the IGETS database according to API standards in the near future. And of course, this is still an ongoing plan. We plan to integrate all the time series from tiltmeters and for more gravimeters, and also from other instruments if available. Yeah, that was my contribution here.